Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about simplifying rational expression. Meron tayo dito ang number 1, how to simplify 81x divided by 54x. To simplify, kailangan natin mag-isip muna ng greatest common factor ng 81 at saka 54. So mag-start tayo estimate by 2. 24 divided by 2 pwede, we have 27. And 81 divided by 20 pwede. So, akit tayo sa 81 divided by 3. Meron siya. Okay? Sa 81, we have 27 times 3. Yan ang factor. And then, dito sa ibaba, meron naman tayong 27 times 2. Pag minultiply natin to 54 yan. Pag minultiply natin to 81. And for the variable, ang wala ng factor, tag-isa lang siya, copy lang yan. Then, ngayon, pwede na natin makancel itong 27, 1, 1 na yan. Then, x cancel, then 1, 1. So, ang natira ay 1 times 3 times 1 equals 3. Then, 1 times 2 times 1 equals 2. Ito na po yung final answer. Okay, number 2. Ganun pa rin ang process. We have to think kung pwede ba makadivide ang 25 sa 25. Pwede po kasi sa divisibility, this divisible by 5, divisible by 5. So pwede siya. So pwede siyang ma-divide by factor niya 25 times 1. Okay? Then ang variable natin x raised to 5. Dito naman sa 125, so i-divide natin sa 25 ito times 5, yan ang factor niya. Then x, yung 10, ihatiin po natin sa dalawa. I-factor po natin yan. So, dalawa siya. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now, susunod ay cancel na po natin itong 25, wala na po siya. Cancel dito 5 at saka itong 5 na exponent x. So, ito yung natira. 1, 1, 1. 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. Then 5, 1 times 5 times 1, tapos x raised to 5. So, 1 times 5 times 1 equals 5. Then, copy lang po yung exponent raised to 5. So, ito na po ang sagot natin. Pinaka-final na mag-simplify itong number 3. So, dito naman ay kailangan po natin siyang i-factor uli yung numerator. Pero itong denominator hindi na kasi factored na siya. Wala nang factor yan. Prime factor. Yan na lang po ang kanya factor. Ito lang x negative 1. So, hindi na pwede siya ma-factor. So, copy lang natin siya. Pero ito, mag-isip tayo na ang common dito ay 4 and 4. So, that's why pag common, hinahanap natin greatest common factor. Pagkatapos, gagawa tayo ng parentheses, i-divide po natin. Pag dinivide po natin itong 4 equals 1, x na lang po yung natira. Tapos pag dinivide natin itong 4, 1 siya, so negative 1. So ang result ngayon, pwede na itong makancel. Kaya the answer is 4. Ayan na po yung sagot, 4. And then number 4 naman ay, ang numerator okay na siya, hindi na natin siya i-factor. Itong may factor itong denominator. So mag-isip tayo ng number na pwede makadivide sa port 8 without remainder. Ang possible makadivide sa port sa 8 ay 4. So, dito naman siyang 4. Tapos, gawa tayo ng parentheses. Tapos, i-divide natin ulit. 4x divided by 4, cancelled na yan. So, x ang natira. Then, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Positive yan, positive 2. And then, ang makakancel natin yan ito, 4 and 4. 1 na yan, 1 din dito. Final answer is 1 over 1 na dito. 1 times that, x plus 2 na lang siya. Ayan ang ating sagot. Dito naman, sa number 5, kailangan natin siyang i-factor yung numerator at saka denominator kasi factorable po yung itong given na trinomials. So, ang factor nito, pag ganitong squared siya, second degree, so trial and error din to. Gagawa tayo ng 2 parentheses. Ang factor ng m is m and m. factor ng 12 ay 1 times 12, 4 times 3. Pag 1 times 12, so minus natin 11. So hindi pwede. Kailangan natin middle term ay dapat 1. Ang possible ay 4 times 3 equals 12, di ba? And then, kung i-minus natin yung 4, positive 4, negative siya, 4 minus 3 equals 1. O possible sa dito sa 1. Kasi kung 6 times 2 equals 12 din, factor din siya. Pag minus natin itong 6 times minus 2, 4. Hindi pwede sa middle term. Lalo pa yung 1 times 12, lalong hindi pwede. Ito lang possible factor. Kaya, ang ating ilalagay dito ay positive 4 minus 3. Dito naman ay meron siyang kasama sa special product because itong degree 2, ang exponent niya ay 2, tapos merong negative, ang tawag dito ay sum and difference. Meron siya. So therefore, ang ating factor is m and m. Tapos, since negative to, 1 positive and 1 negative. Then, the square root of 16 is 4. So we have 4 and 4. Yan ang factor niya. Then now, ito po yung mga cancelled natin. Ang final answer is m minus 3 over m minus 4. Hindi po pwedeng i-cancel yan, itong m at saka m, because hindi naman siya factor. Kung ano siya, ang tawag nito, is a term, hindi siya factor. Kaya hindi siya pwedeng i-cancel. Okay? Our topic is about factoring of difference of two squares. The indicators of difference of two squares is the minus sign and the square. Minus sign and the square. Minus sign and the square. So, to find the factor of difference of two squares, we're going to use two parentheses first. We will make two parentheses first. Then one for positive and one for negative. Okay? Now we're going to get the factor of 121. So the factor of 121 is 11 times 11 equals 121. So we have 11 and 11. Then 11 times 11 equals 121. And the factor of b squared is b times b equals b squared. So therefore our answer here is b, and here is also b. And the next is the factor of 4 is 2 times 2. So 2 here and 2. We're going to check 11b times 11b equals 121b squared. Then positive times negative equals negative. 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay? Next is the same process. To factor the difference of these squares, we will write first the two parentheses. Or we will make first two parentheses. And one positive and one negative. Then we're going to find the factor of 64. We will use 8 times 8 equals 64. So our answer here is 8. And the other one also here is 8. To check 8 times 8 equals 64. And the factor of a squared is a times a. A and a. Then multiply 8 times equals a squared. Then for 49, the factor of 49 is 7 times 7. Then for b, so b squared is also b here. B times equals b squared. Check again. 8a times 8a equals 64a squared. Here, so positive times negative equals negative. Then 7b times 7b equals 49b squared. And last, the same process. We have to make first two parentheses and find the factor of 49, or the square root of 49 is 7. So 7 times 7 is 49. So 7 here, then 7, then division line, we have here positive, division line, we have here negative. Okay, for c squared, the square root of that is c. C times c equals c squared. C here, right, c. And then the square root of 100 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So 10 here, and 10 also here. And the square root of 9 is 3. So we have here 3. 3. And the square root of 4 is 2. So here 2. Then 2 also here. The square root of b squared is b. And also b. And we're going to check. 7c times 7c equals 49c squared. Then 10 times 10 equals 100. Positive times negative equals negative. 2b times 2 equals b 4b squared. Then 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay, check. I hope you understand how to solve or finding the factor of difference of t squared.